Hey, this is Edwin. I want to teach you how to play the F sharp minor chord. This is what it looks like. Okay, all you gotta do is go to the 2nd fret, grab your index finger, and then you're gonna bar the whole thing. This is what it should look like. Next, you gotta go to the 4th fret. You're gonna grab your ring finger and go to the 2nd string from the top. And that should be the A string. It's going to sound like this. The next one is going to be the string right underneath it with the pinky finger. Go right to the D string. And then you're going to use the hand with the pick and you're going to strum the whole thing. Alright, let's review. Let's go to the 2nd fret, bar the whole thing, use your ring finger, go to the 2nd string from the top, and then you're going to use your pinky, 3rd string from the top. It's going to be string right underneath it. You're going to bar, and then you're going to hit it all. That's what it should sound like. And if you're not a fan of barring the whole 2nd fret, you can actually take that off, and then you can actually just put your index finger on this G string on the 2nd fret. It's gonna be this note right here if you can't see it correctly, and then all you gotta do is put those 2 fingers back, and this is what it sounds like. Alright, I'm gonna do some demonstrations right now on how these 2 chords sounds like. So thanks for listening to my lesson on the F sharp minor chord.